Hi, I am Sivaram Krishnan from Thuthukudi. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing in this video to get World Skill Council certificate. Now I am performing in liquid printed testing. Before testing, the test object must be clean. I am using the solvent cleaner to clean the surface of test object must be cleaned. This is solvent cleaner. The test object clean properly. The test object the dust particle in weld area, so cleaning must. The cleaning properly. Now I am using this solvent based pattern to apply. The penetrant applying 45 degree. The penetrant in properly applied. To shake it. Total time is time taken by penetrant completely penetrate into the defect. Wait for total time. Remove excess penetrant area. Remove the excess penetrant area must be cleaned. Clean in properly. Total time is over. Remove the excess penetrant from the defect. Cleaning in properly. I am using solvent removing method. Now I am using apply developer to get indication. Apply developer to get indication. Developer and applying profit to get